Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Saturday, May 16th. Norwegian Cruise Line says several guests suffered minor injuries after a ceiling panel collapsed inside of a dining venue on board Norwegian Luna. Now, the incident happened Thursday inside the local bar and grill while the ship was sailing a Caribbean itinerary from Miami. Videos shared to TikTok by user Barbara Ades show large ceiling sections falling into the restaurant as passengers were trying to get out of the way. Multiple guests were helping raise the ceiling to help others escape. In a statement provided by Norwegian Cruise Line, it said, quote, "A small number of guests were evaluated and treated by the ship's medical team for minor injuries." The cruise line called the incident isolated and says the affected dining area has been temporarily closed while repairs and a review continue. Norwegian Luna entered service early April. And some Princess Cruise passengers are reporting ongoing problems with the cruise line's website and mobile app following a recent maintenance outage last weekend. A guest told our tip line that their booking, excursions, and cruise details are intermittently missing or displaying incorrect info inside the app. Some guests also report canceled cruises continuing to appear in their accounts. Like Carnival Cruise Line, the Princess website was also down last weekend for planned maintenance. And construction at the port of Seward, Alaska is now disrupting multiple Alaska cruise sailings operated by Royal Caribbean Group brands. Royal Caribbean previously confirmed Ovation of the Seas would temporarily switch from Seward to Whittier for embark and debark because of ongoing port construction. Passengers sailing with Celebrity are now reporting similar last-minute changes. One guest who contacted our tip line says Celebrity changed their departure port while they were already in the air flying to Anchorage, resulting in an unexpected $200 Uber ride from Anchorage to Whittier after already paying for transportation. So far, the changes appear limited to select sailings. And cruise stocks were down Friday. Carnival Corporation down 2.2%, 24.64. Royal Caribbean down 260.29. Norwegian down 2.6%, 15.52. And Viking down 3.5%, 83.70. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net, and have yourself a great Saturday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.